Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create a table of contents in Excel. If you've ever had a spreadsheet with more than a few tabs, you know how annoying it can be to click around through all your different tabs. Sometimes you have to scroll through them and search for places you need to go, click back and forth. That's why people might create a table of contents tab at the beginning of their spreadsheet. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create a table of contents tab where you can click on any of the tabs from here, and then once you get to those tabs, you'll be able to click to go back home to your table of contents. And with that, we can get started right away by linking cell A3 to the income tab so that when we click on the word income here, we get brought to the income tab. So to do this, I will right click on this cell, and where it says link at the bottom here, we're going to do insert link. And then there's a few different options that you can link to, but we will insert our hyperlink to a place in this document, and that will be the income tab, cell A1. You can bring it to other cells within that tab, but we will just do the first cell. So if we hit OK, now you see there is a highlighted hyperlink, and if we click on it, we now get brought to the income tab. So as a refresher, we'll do it again with the expenses tab. And if we click in cell A4, right click, link, insert link, place in this document, expenses, okay. Now if we click expenses, same thing, and I'm just going to do it one more time. Assets in cell A5, right click, link, place in this document, assets, okay. And we can quickly do that for the other ones as well. It's really simple. And as you can see, it goes really quick as well. It might take you a few minutes if you have a lot of tabs, but this is the quickest and most efficient way to build a table of contents. So now that we have our table of contents fully built, we can click in savings and it brings us to the savings tab and so on and so forth, and it works for all of these. But instead of going back and clicking on the table of contents tab, and for example, let's say we have a ton of tabs, like we have all these extra sheets and we keep going and we have more than a dozen. Now, instead of having to scroll back to the table of contents, you can just click on the links. And we also want to create a link on each individual tab that brings us back to the table of contents. So I'm going to do that in cell L1 over here, and I'm just going to write TOC for table of contents, and we're in the income tab, and I'm going to right click, link, and link it to the table of contents, hit OK. Now if we click on that, it brings us to the table of contents. Instead of doing that over and over again for every tab, I can just copy that cell and paste it in all the other tabs. And then I'll show you proof that this works. So if we're in the savings tab and I click table of contents, it brings us back to the start. And that's basically it. Creating a table of contents is not difficult. It takes you a couple extra minutes and it will probably save you a lot more time scrolling through your spreadsheet, especially when you have more and more tabs that get added. So I hope this helps you out. If it did, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet already. Thanks for watching.